am not going anywhere.
We're going to get through this with the collaboration of every level of government.
It is important that after 14 years in government, the Conservative Party rebuild.
Welcome into the Weekend Guide. I'm Maureen Hale. Another remarkable week in Washington, with Congress returning for the first time since President Biden's poor debate performance. There are growing doubts that he will actually be the Democratic nominee. I'm joined now by our White House correspondent, John Decker. And John, it seemed this rehabilitation tour of President Biden started on Friday with his interview on ABC, but the pendulum has been swinging back and forth. He's in, he's out. It seems to go day by day.
Well, that's right. I think that to a certain extent, Joe Biden is in a good position in the sense that he has secured the necessary delegates to be the presumptive Democratic nominee. He won 87% of the votes in the Democratic primary process. 14 million individuals voted for Joe Biden, and he feels, rightly so, that he has earned the right to be the Democratic nominee to challenge Donald Trump in November. The problem is that there have been a handful of Democratic members of Congress, some donors, some supporters of the Democratic Party like George Clooney, who are urging President Biden to bow out of the race because they do not believe that he can beat Donald Trump in November, and they also believe that that will hurt down-ballot Democrats, those who are running for Congress, those who are running for the Senate, because they believe there's a weakened standard bearer for the Democratic Party at the top of the ticket.
But we're hearing from those Democratic members of Congress that they're concerned how Biden could be a drag on the ticket for them. So it really is almost a selfish perspective now.
Well, that's right. But that's what it's all about. Is electability. This is all unprecedented. There have been instances where through the process, Democrats have chosen an individual to be their standard bearer, or Republicans for that matter, who may not be the best general election candidate, but that's the process. And as it relates to President Biden, there are issues, there are concerns about his wherewithal to carry out the duties of president, to be a strong candidate to go up against Donald Trump, given his performance, for instance, in that debate 2 weeks ago, which was disastrous for Joe Biden.
Let's talk about the issue with that neurologist who made multiple visits to the White House. It seems that the communications office of the White House wasn't even sure what was going on there.
Yeah, poor communication, to say the least. Karine Jean-Pierre, several times during the course of the past week, had to correct the record in terms of things that she had said during the course of the briefing. This is one example. A statement had to be put out hours after the press briefing to correct the record. Now, what is clear is that, according to the White House, that individual, that specialist in Parkinson's, was not and is not treating President Biden for Parkinson's. The White House making it clear he has not and is not someone who has Parkinson's. That being said, lots of questions when you have a specialist who is in Parkinson's, who's visited the White House 8 times in 8 months, according to White House visitors logs, and then you have questions about President Biden and his mental acuity. You can understand where these questions come from.
John, you're a long-standing member of the White House press corps. What's your reaction when you hear all those talking heads on TV say that the media is complicit in ignoring signs of decline in President Biden?
Well, I can speak for myself. I've been talking about issues related to the president when asked by you, by other iHeart stations for the past year and a half. I asked at the White House press briefing a question of in April of last year, is the White House essentially protecting the president for the lack of press conferences that we're having? So I've been asking those questions. I can speak for myself. I can't speak for the way other reporters cover this White House. Those types of very pointed questions in regards to President Biden. There have been episodes that have happened at the White House that I talk about and maybe my colleagues don't. I'll give you one example, Lori. One example being Bring Your Child to Work Day at the White House, in which President Biden took questions from these young, cute kids that came to the White House, and one of the questions posed to the president was, what was the last country that you visited? And the president said he couldn't remember. And it was just 2 weeks prior that he took a trip to Ireland. So that's one example that did not get reported all that much, and that happened last year. So, the people that are coming around lately that are questioning the White House, questioning the president on these issues, are a little late to the game in the sense that I've been talking about it for well over 14 months. And, to me, it was essentially, now that the Biden White House is faced with this issue, is through no fault of their own. They haven't made him available to press conferences, and when press conferences happen, they just get greater scrutiny because of that.
But John, Donald Trump would famously be in that briefing room. I remember Barack Obama being there. Is this just the White House Communications Office limiting how much access you get to Joe Biden?
Well, that's true. Just a reminder about the two presidents that you mentioned. Donald Trump never came into the press briefing room until the coronavirus pandemic. So that's point number one. Never came into the briefing room, although he did have press conferences and certainly took questions virtually every day. But I want to just make that clear. As it relates to the former President Barack Obama, he came to the briefing room, but it was never really to take questions. It was to make a statement. I can think of two examples in particular after mass shootings in which he came to the press briefing room to express his outrage, his sadness in terms of mass shootings that occurred. But as it relates to the current president, President Joe Biden, he has not come to the briefing room. He has had very few solo press conferences. And, I think that is one of those things where, although the White House believes they're doing the president a favor, they're actually doing him a disservice because when you have a press conference and you're not practiced at them, you see what happens. It's just someone who is not doing well, who makes mistakes, who makes gaffes, and they're elevated, they're heightened in terms of the scrutiny and in terms of the attention.
This week's NATO summit has certainly allowed the Biden campaign to try to change the narrative.
Oh, absolutely. The last debate really changed the tone, the tenor of this campaign, the focus of this campaign as well. Since that debate over 2 weeks ago, we really have not been talking all that much or paying much attention to the Republican presumptive nominee, Donald Trump, and he's perfectly fine with that because of all the bad publicity, all the bad news that's focused, that's highlighted, that's shined on Joe Biden right now. That will certainly, I think, change at the Republican National Convention, but the attention really has been on Democrats for the past 2 weeks.
Our White House correspondent, John Decker. And John, next week, I'll see you in Milwaukee.
I look forward to it. I'll see you in Milwaukee.
A preview of the Republican National Convention happening in Milwaukee is coming up next. As the Weekend Dive continues, I'm Rory O'Neill.
The year is 1861. Your name is Abraham Lincoln. A black fountain pen rests in your right hand. The paper in front of you holds the key to uniting America from east to west. Technology called Phoenix. A maverick signed that paper, making the Pacific Railway Act a national commitment, and it begins here, in Sacramento. Abraham Lincoln believed in new technology, and taking a leading role made him a maverick. At Maverick Electric Heating and Air, the new technology in home comfort is the heat pump. It's good for America, and it's good for your bottom line. But converting your home is more complicated than just signing a piece of paper. You need someone with confidence and experience to know it'll succeed. That's who we are. Maverick Electric Heating and Air. And doing this together makes all of us a little more like you. Visit callamaverick.com. Building up better Sacramento. KSBK, Sacramento's News Radio.
The Weekend Dive.
We will not turn our back on people just because we don't think they voted for us.
But the one thing we know about our president, Joe Biden, is that he is a fighter.
Welcome back to the Weekend Dive. I'm Rory O'Neill. Republicans gather in Milwaukee this week to formally nominate Donald J. Trump as their candidate for president. Joining me now is Axios political reporter Aaron Doherty. Aaron, you forget 4 years ago with the pandemic, we actually didn't go through this. So this is a big chance for Republicans to get back on the same stage together.
Absolutely. It's a huge moment. For the first time in 8 years that we'll be able to see all of the pretty much main players in the Republican Party together in one room. And it comes at a really important time in the election, and obviously for Republicans who have, and former President Trump, who has sort of been out of the spotlight in recent weeks as, you know, Democratic Party and President Biden has sort of sucked up all the oxygen as there's been questions over whether President Biden will continue to lead the Democratic ticket into November following his debate performance. And so while sort of in former President Trump's case, no news may be good news, and all of this negative publicity surrounding the Biden campaign has been, you know, not, it's been, I'm sure, welcome for former President Trump. Former President Trump also likes to be in the spotlight, so I'm sure he is eager to get back out there starting on Monday and flex his vision for the party and show that he is, you know, determined and full steam ahead of November.
It's interesting to bring that up because I noticed that this just doesn't seem buzzworthy, this convention, even though we haven't had one, as you said, for 8 years like this. It doesn't seem anyone's talking about it. When I mentioned it to other people who are not in this business, they say, oh, is that next week? Oh, is that in Milwaukee? Like, there seems to be very little awareness, which typically I always thought of a convention, you know, nerds like us, we've got it on our calendars, but I don't know, I'm sensing a lot of shoulders shrugging this time around.
Yeah, and that might honestly be representative of just sort of this bizarre campaign we've had in 2024. There's been so many massive events that have happened that have sort of been unplanned. You know, think about former President Trump's historic conviction, the debate and the fallout from the presidential debate, and former President Trump's also the other legal troubles that have sort of dominated some of his campaign coverage. So I think that maybe the fact that this is a planned event doesn't necessarily generate the same amount of buzz as some of these other really unprecedented events that we've seen on the campaign so far.
Aaron, typically these conventions focus a lot on a party platform, and that's something we've seen change a lot in recent days, especially on some pretty hot issues.
Yeah. That's weird. All of a sudden, it's blank.
United Nations Ambassador Nikki Haley, for instance, during the Republican primary. And I think that that might be something that comes out of next week, is to see how former President Trump tries to do that and if he is able to.